Hey guys, Billie Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. So you remember the two puppies that had the grade 1, really mild heart murmur when we took Deborah and Hank's puppies to the vet? Well, we took them back for a recheck a week later, and here it is.
I don't hear it.
Yay. Oh, yay! Good job, Mr. Boo!
Say yay! Say I don't hear it! Say I don't hear it today! Say I don't! Negative here too.
Yay! So I'm so excited that their heart murmurs are gone. So you hear them talking. We've had this once or twice come up. I know the last, couple of years, especially since I started the YouTube, we've only had one. So it's kind of like, and this is the same thing that happened. We held on to the puppy for a week later, got it checked. All was fine. So, we never want to not worry about something or overlook it, but we are so glad that we have a vet that listens really good and hears stuff that maybe other vets might not even have picked up. So we are super grateful for our vets to get rechecks for our families, but we do have 3 puppies available in this litter. So the 2 puppies that had the grade 1 mild heart murmur that is now gone, thankfully. We're gonna get them out and show them off, and then there's one other puppy too. So let me go ahead and grab them. All right, so here's our first puppy. So this is Mr. Blue. Oh, he's one. Super loving, obviously, that you can see. You know, we just brought him inside. They think it's dinner time, which it is dinner time. It is, and I've not fed you dinner yet. They are so sweet. I am so excited about this litter. Debra's puppies were fantastic. Oh my goodness gracious. Chunky babies. Okay. I think they will do fantastic with children. Any puppy has the ability to. It's just the fact of making sure that, you know, we get that early exposure, you know, that type of stuff in the beginning. Okay, you're tearing my hair down. But this is Mr. Blue. So he's got our one sock, tall sock. We've got this one, big white chest. We've got some white on our back feet. Beautiful Merle. We've got almost a full blue eye. And he's very, very sweet. So his teeth are perfect bite. Now our bottom canines do tilt in just a little, but it's no big deal. No big deal. It's mild base narrow, but they're even better from last week, the vet said. And of course I can see that, and we've never had an issue with something like this. What do you think? But he is gorgeous, and he is available for a home in just a couple of days. So this litter does end up starting to leave. So they're 8 weeks old on Saturday. So this weekend they are ready to go. So next is Miss Orange. So she is the other one that had a grade 1 heart murmur last week, and then this week it's gone. So just, you know, early on stuff that, you know, the valves hadn't fully closed yet, but they are clear. So in the video, I don't know if you could have seen that the vet, he said, they turned the music off in the room. He said, I listened really, really hard and they did not have them. So I'm like, perfect. Absolutely perfect. She's so sweet. She's tiny. She is a little girl, but she is a black phantom with tri. You know, she's got the phantom points, and then we've got the white on her chin, chest, a little bit on our toes. Nice dark coat. She's curly. So is Mr. Blue. I don't know if I said that. So sweet. She and she's got her head tilted back, literally you can just do whatever. She doesn't even care. I think and just like when I was at the vet and I was holding both of them like babies on their back. And I had told, you know, my vet and the tech, I said, she needs children just to carry her around because she is so sweet. Are you a good girl? Hey, are you a good girl? Definitely more on the laid back side. She's happy, very, very happy, but she's definitely more chilled. All right, so this is Miss Orange. She's one of our smaller girls. And now we're gonna go get Mr. Green. All right, so last but not least of availability in this litter is Mr. Green. He has a beautiful silky black phantom coat. Gorgeous. He does have white on his chin, little spots on his chest, but that really doesn't count. Some on our back feet. Gorgeous, gorgeous glossy coat though. Super glossy. Now he is very, I'm not going to say reserved. He does come to me, but he also he kind of sits back and watches everybody. He doesn't get super excited. You know, he's happy, but he just kind of, you know, does his own thing. What do you think? So he is super, super, super chill. So I don't know if he is going to be one that will go out with children and want to chase them in the yard and chase a ball and stuff. He's definitely more relaxed. He's more, I'm not going to say single person, but he's definitely more of a lover than anything. Are you a snuggler? Are you a snuggler? Tell him you're a good boy. It's so funny. He hasn't had much of any interest, and I feel so bad. And I think it's because of the darkness. Because look, though, he just is so, like, he doesn't do nothing. Do you hear your sisters in there crying? It's dinner time, and we need to feed. I might throw in on this video kind of the feeding session, you know, because we have the 2 litters of 6, so 12 puppies total that we're crating to feed each time. So that's always fun. Fun, fun, fun. Are you ready? Are you ready for dinner? He used to, when he would go in the crate, you would have to reach in there and get him back out, but now he'll walk out. He's definitely opening up. He's not scared, though. He's not nervous of anything, so that's why I said I wouldn't call him, like, timid or reserved. He just is really chill, really chill. The vet loved them. When they went to the vet at, 6 weeks old, a couple days later, after 6 weeks, because they didn't have availability then, the vet just held him because he was the last puppy in the litter and said, "This is what I like," because I said he was still available. "This is what I like." Me too. All right, this is Mr. Green. All right, guys, let me know if you have any interest in these 3 puppies out of this litter. Like I said, this weekend they are ready to go home. Always check my website to see if there's any update of availability, because by the time you see this, we could have already reserved a puppy or 2, or maybe all of them, cross our fingers. But we want our families to be prepared of getting these puppies and taking them home. We don't kind of want it to be like we found them and want to get them the next day. We want them to be prepared. So let me know if you have any interest. Don't forget to hit that subscribe link if it's your first time here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.